In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can confidently remove any file you no longer need. I'll be demonstrating this in the OneDrive web interface, since that's the most common place people manage their files and it looks consistent across most browsers. First, log into your OneDrive account. Open your browser, head to the OneDrive site and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you use OneDrive for both personal and work. Once you're in, you'll land on your OneDrive homepage where you can access your files and folders. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click My Files. This is your main file library where all your folders and documents live. If your window is narrow, the left panel might be condensed. Expand it so you can clearly see My Files. Take a moment here to locate the file you intend to delete. You can scroll through your items and the column headers at the top can help you view details like name, modified date and size so you can be certain you're selecting the right file. On the file you want to delete, click the three dots. This icon opens a context menu with actions related to that item. You'll usually find the three dots appear when you hover over the file name. If you're working with a folder, the same menu applies, but today we're focusing on deleting a single file to keep things straightforward. Pause here to double check the file name and, if needed, preview it first so you're confident it's the one you want to remove. In the menu that opens, click the Delete tab. Depending on your view, it may simply say Delete, often accompanied by a trash can icon. Selecting this tells OneDrive you want to remove that file from your main library. At this stage, the file isn't permanently erased. OneDrive will prepare to move it to the recycle bin. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Delete again to confirm. This extra step prevents accidental removals by making sure you really intend to proceed. After you confirm, the file disappears from your My Files view and is moved to the recycle bin, where it can typically be recovered for a limited time if you change your mind. Keep in mind that for shared files or files you don't own, you might only remove your access rather than delete the original. That's it. By logging in, opening My Files, using the three-dot menu, choosing Delete, and confirming, you've cleaned up your storage in just a few clicks. Repeat the same process for any other files you no longer need to keep your OneDrive tidy and organized.